A very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good at your homes. Students, in our last class, we all have completed chapter 22 and 23. And from today, we'll start, we will complete actually 24 and 25. So, first of all, come to the chapter 24 conjunctions. Read the following sentences. I love chocolates and ice creams. Jyoti is tall, but Samay is short. What will you have, tea or coffee? In sentence first, and joins two words. Here you can see and joins two words. Chocolate and ice cream. In sentence 2, what joins two sentences? What is joining two sentences? Jyoti is tall and Samay is short. In sentence 3, or joins two words. Tea and coffee. You can see that. This means that the words and but or are joining words. They are conjunctions. So conjunctions are joining words. Keep this in your mind. ये हमेशा याद रखिए that conjunctions are joining words. Conjunction are joining words. They are used to join two or more words or sentence. Understood? Now, some more examples of conjunctions are as follows. You can see the examples which are given here. They are happy though they are poor. They are poor. We started our journey when the rain stopped. You will do well. You will do well in the exams if you study hard. Try and try until you succeed. Until she missed the bus because she woke up late in the morning. Use of conjunctions actually depends upon what we want to say. Read the following and you will notice that we have used different conjunction to convey different ideas. Here, I will go home and do my work. I will go home, but I will not take you along. I will go home because I'm tired. I will go home or I will stay back. I will go home if I get the air ticket. So students, you can see and, but, because, or, if, when, these all are conjunction words. Move to the exercise. You can see here Ram is naughty but Sham is studious. Studious. So here, which is the conjunction? Can you tell me that? Yes, but is conjunction. What do you like, bananas or oranges? Here or is conjunction. So I hope you understood that which type of words are conjunction. So you all have to find out the correct conjunction word and you have to underline them. Now let us understand why we use conjunction and. We use and to join sentences when the meanings has same relation. You can see examples. She went to the market. She bought two apples. She went to the market and bought two apples. We use and to join a list of words. I like apples, banana, and oranges. You have to use and in the last. Use and to join the following sentence. Here it's very simple. We went to market. We bought vegetables. So how can we join these sentences with but and? We went to the market and bought vegetables. Here we just have to cut. Here the V is written and we have to write and. You have to write like this. Let's write the correct sentence here. We went to the market and bought vegetables. You can see we went to the market and bought vegetables. You all have to write like this. Complete all these exercise. Now move to the next but. We use but to join sentences when one sentence says something and the other just the opposite. We played well. We lost the match. We played well but lost the match is the right way to use but here. Now use but to join the following sentences. The journey was long but we enjoyed it. We just have to put but here. यहाँ पे सिर्फ हमें but add करना है. He failed many times but he never lost hope. But complete rest of the exercise by yourself. Move to the next or, where we have to use or. We use or to join sentences and words to show that only one choice is available. Example, you can have ice cream, you can have chocolates. You can have ice cream or chocolates. Finish your breakfast quickly, you will be late for school. Finish your breakfast quickly or you will be late for school. Take an umbrella, you will get wet. Take an umbrella or you will get wet. Here you just have to add or. Complete rest of the exercise by yourself. Now move to the next, because. We use because to answer the question why or to give a reason. He came first, he was well prepared for exam. He came first because he was well prepared for the examinations. Use because to join the sentence. I went to the doctor, I was sick. I went to the doctor because I was sick. You just have to put because in between here. Understood? Some more conjunctions. Both is used to talk about two persons or things. Both my brother and sisters are doctor. Until is used to show point of time. They study until their parents return from office. When is used to show events happening in the same time. Like they play football when it rains. So is used to show the purpose of something. I exercised daily so I lost weight. Here we can see and we can understand that where we have to use both, until, when, so, and and other conjunction words. Now here, if is used to show condition. She will drop you home if you are late. Either or are used to show one thing or person. They either eat outside on Sundays or get food packed for home. Match the following to make meaningful sentences. Here we have to match them correctly to make meaningful sentences. Like Ranu missed the school bus. So what will be the answer? Ranu missed the school bus, but she did not panic is the correct number one. I'm putting numbers. You all can match also and putting number is better. Okay. Now he completed his homework when his mother was away. This is the second one. Number third, the book was not interesting, so I returned it to the library. Number third. Number fourth, though it was a hot day, as the sun began to set, Sonu went down to play. Yes, though it was a hot day, Sonu went down to play. Number fourth. Number fifth, though the shepherd boy returned as the sun began to set. I hope you all have completed this exercise with me. Now move to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with correct conjunctions from those given in the box. I hope you all can do this exercise by yourself. It's very easy. So complete this exercise by yourself. It's very simple. If you are unable to do, then let me know. I will tell you the right answer. Move to the next chapter, which is chapter 25, interjections. Here, Amit is sad because his team has lost the cricket match. The word "oh" expressed his sadness. Oh, we have lost. Rohan is happy because his team won the match, and the word "hooray" expresses his happiness. Like "hooray, we have won," he's saying. So these words which shows some expressions which express some feeling, joy, sorrow, and anger, of even fear are called interjections. The words which express these kind of feeling are called interjections. Interjections क्या होते हैं? ऐसे words जो feeling show करते हैं, like hooray, else, oh, are sound expressing sudden joy or sorrow and are called interjections. Some interjections like help are words and not merry sounds. मतलब ये जो help like words हैं ये sound नहीं करते हैं interjection जैसा. That's why these are not interjections. Some interjections are made up of more than two words like good luck, well done. These all are interjections also. Interjections are followed by an exclamation mark. After interjection we have to put exclamation mark. Understood? It's very important. Nowadays, the exclamation mark is sometimes put at the end of the sentences. Example, oh, we lost the match. You can see sometimes nowadays means आज के समय में अब क्या किया जाता है that this exclamation mark is putting after the sentence, end of the sentence में exclamation mark को use किया जाता है. Now fill in the blanks with suitable interjection from those given below. Here we have to put suitable interjection here. Dash, we have won the match. Here, hooray is the first word. I'm putting number. You can write the word here. Dash, we have come first in the class. So, which is the congratulation is the correct word. Number third, dash, I have hurt myself. Ouch. I've hurt myself is the correct word. Ouch. Number fourth is dash, how are you? So, number fourth, we all know that. Hello, how are you? Number fifth, dash, you look beautiful in red sari. Wow, you look beautiful in red sari is the correct word. Understood? So, students, complete this exercise here in the book. Let's move to the next chapter now, which is chapter 26, punctuation and capital letters. Punctuation makes our writing clear and easy to understand. Some punctuation marks are full stop, comma, question marks and exclamation mark. We all know these punctuation marks. Okay? है कि नहीं है? सब जानते हैं इन मार्क्स को. We all know that. हमने स्टडी किया है in our earlier classes. Now, sentence ends in full stop. Full stop से कब होता है, कब हम यूज़ करते हैं? When any sentence end, जब sentence end होता है then normal sentence. A question stands with a question mark. जब कोई question होता है we have to use question mark. And after an exclamatory sentence we use an exclamation. Exclamatory sentence means any sentence which shows some express some feeling of joy, anger, etc. Now move to the exercise. Insert full stop, question marks and exclamation mark appropriately. Here we just have to put correct punctuation mark in these sentences. Do you know my name is a question. We have to put question mark here. He's going to the park. It's a normal sentence. We have to put full stop here. How delicious was the meal? Means it's a exclamation mark. Why? Because it's an exclamatory sentence. Means how delicious was the meal? It's like this. It's not a question. Okay? So let's put the correct sentence, correct punctuation mark so that full stop here, exclamation mark. Why are you shouting? It's a question mark. So rest of the questions you all have to do is students complete it. Okay. Now move to the next one. Comma is used to separate words in a list. Comma कब use करते हैं? To separate the words from the list. I want toffee, candy and chocolates. Toffee के बाद comma है and candy and chocolates अब नहीं है. Now I have bought a book, comma 2 pens, comma a pencil and an eraser. Just before the names of the last thing we use and last thing जब लिखा हो कुछ भी लास्ट में लिखा उसके पहले हमें and यूज़ करना होता है. Comma is used to separate the name of person from what is said to her or him. Now here comma यहाँ भी यूज़ किया जाता है. कब? When the name of person is written and we have to put comma and the rest of sentence, like Renu, comma please come to me, fetch me a glass of water, comma Sumit, fetch me a glass of water Sumit. Show a short break to separate a word or a group of a word from the main sentence. सो स्टूडेंट्स इसका मतलब तो आपको पता चल गया होगा. रेनू प्लीज़ कम टू मी, यानी कि रेनू प्लीज़ इधर आइए, प्लीज़ मेरे पास आइए. फेच मी ए ग्लास ऑफ वाटर सुमित क्या तुम मुझे एक ग्लास वाटर दे सकते हो, प्लीज़ एक ग्लास वाटर देना, लाइक दिस. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ द चाइल्ड हु फेल डाउन इज सीरियस. दिस इज मतलब ये एक सेंटेंस है बट इट इज़ ब्रोकन इनटू 3, सेपरेटेड इनटू 3. लाइक द बॉय who is in red shirt, comma studies in my class. Put a comma appropriately in the following sentences where needed. Ramesh read out the headlines. Ramesh, comma read out the headlines. It means Yes, someone is saying this to Ramesh, that Ramesh, read out the headlines. Now pay attention to what I say. Now के बाद यहाँ पे कॉमा आ जाएगा. Now pay attention to what I say. Understood? So next is, Daddy, please drop me at the coaching center. So here daddy के बाद comma, please drop me at the coaching center. I wish to have chapatis and vegetables for dinner. I wish to have chapatis and vegetables for dinner. So here we have to put comma where we have to put comma. There is no need of comma. Understood? Because there is only two words are written, chapatis and vegetables. My little sister, where are you? So how can we write this sentence, students? Using punctuation mark. How can we write? My little sister के बाद comma. My little sister, comma, where are you? The lady who is wearing pink sari is the chairperson of the school. The lady के बाद comma, who is wearing pink sari. Who is wearing pink sari. Sari के बाद फिर comma, is the chairperson of the school. Please bring me a glass of orange juice. Here, I don't think there is a need of comma. No, there is no need of comma. Ram, is that dog your pet? No, someone is asking to Ram, is that dog your pet? Bring all the notebooks, Renu. Bring all the notebooks, Renu. Students, are you listening to me? Students, comma, are you listening to me? Understood? Now move to the capital letters are used to begin every sentence. Example, the sun rises in the east. The names of person. Examples, Jyoti Khanna, Surya Verma. The names of days, months in the year. The names of books, newspapers and magazines. The names of subject. We all write these words in capital letter. The names of languages. The names of river, countries, cities, mountains. Punctuate the following sentence and also use the capital letters where necessary. So this is very simple exercise, students. I hope you all can do this easily. Complete it by yourself. Move to the next exercise. Here, chapter 27, understanding words better. Here we will learn that a word are a type of the same. This is same words, but their spelling of these words are different, and the meaning of these words are different. Like many times we get confused with some words like ear and ear. Ear means sal and ear means kan. We all know that. Or here and here. Here means sunna and here means yaha. Let's learn the words use of such confusing words. Except, I have accepted Monali's invitations. Except everyone went to the party except Sonali. Which means accept मतलब क्या होता है कि accept करना, मतलब स्वीकार करना. And accept means छोड़कर. Like everyone went to the party except Monali. Monali को छोड़कर सब पार्टी में गए थे. Here, brake. Apply the brake of your car. There is a puppy on the road. Be careful. Don't break the jar. Brake means गाड़ी का जो ब्रेक होता है वो. Okay, and here break means तोड़ना. Heal. Don't worry, the wound will heal soon. She has hurt her heel. Heel means that part of our ankle, we can say ankle. Feet. Part of a feet, ankle. Don't worry, the wound will heal. Heal means ठीक होना. So these are some words are written here. You all have to read them and learn them. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. I love all subject. Here we have to use except. Maths को छोड़कर. A dash of broken cup was lying there. A piece of. Now, her dash hurt badly. Her heel. There is a dash in my cupboard. There is a hole in my cupboard. There is something wrong with the brake of the car. We dash your invitation. We accept your invitation. When the kids are home, there is hardly any peace. Apply the medicines that will heal the wound. The whole area is owned by them. Hold the glass, wash properly, it might fall and break. So complete this exercise, students, on your notebook, on your book, not on your notebook, and learn them because it can come in your upcoming exams. Now move to the next one. Yes, it's a review. So here, this review you all have to do by yourself. It's very simple. All the exercises are very simple, which we studied earlier. All these chapter conjunctions and punctuations, correct word, we all have studied them. Prepositions, adverbs, you all have to complete them on your book and send it to me. So that's all for today's class. We will meet in our next class. Students, till then, take care and good day and complete all the assignments. मैं देख रही हूँ आप लोग असाइनमेंट्स कंप्लीट नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट असाइनमेंट्स कंप्लीट करके भेजिए बिकॉज एग्जाम्स आर वेरी नियर, वेरी ओके. सो सब बिल्कुल अच्छे से पढ़ाई करें फॉर योर अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स. सो टेक केयर स्टूडेंट, गुड डे.